Oh, hello. We're working on Cabaret Macabre with Happenstance Theater, and as Sarah showed you before, she was working on one of these dresses, adding more poof to the sleeves. And we not only have one of these dresses in the show, but two. And actually, we have three. So we have the two that the sisters wear, and then a special puppet version, which I'll go get now. This is the puppet version of our dress. It's made from the same pattern as the original two dresses that Gwen and Sarah wear, but it's been built out around the upper torso and pelvis with floor mat foam. We took a pattern off of Sarah and then were able to create basically like a foam armor that's the structure of it. You can even see, if you have any kids nearby, this is not safe for work. If you look under her dress, she has a foam pelvis that keeps it very lightweight, but the structure is there. And it's the same thing up top with the torso. And the upper torso and pelvis are two separate pieces, so you can actually have some movement there, so it's not just a mannequin. And then her arms are connected with a string here, so you can sort of work it like a marionette and give her a little more expression. And then there's a little handle in the back. You can see where my hand is resting. Excuse us.